Welcome. If you manage a Telegram group and want to keep things organized by preventing members from sending photos, this guide is for you. Whether you're running a professional community or just want to minimize distractions, Telegram gives you the tools to control what your group members can share. Here's how you can update your group's permissions and stop members from sending photos. First, open the Telegram app on your device. Make sure you're logged in and that you have admin rights in the group where you want to apply these changes. Next, head to the group chat. You'll see the group's conversation feed. At the top, tap on the group picture or the group's name. This will take you to the group's information page, where you can see details about the group and its members. Now, look for the edit icon, which usually appears as a pencil or the word edit in the top right corner. Tap on it to enter the group's settings. Inside the settings menu, find and select the option labeled Permissions. This section is where you control what members are allowed to do within the group. In the Permissions menu, look for the setting called Send Media. Tap on it to view the list of media types that members are currently allowed to send. Here, you'll see different options like photos, videos, stickers, and more. To prevent members from sending photos, simply unmark or disable the Photos choice. You can also review other media options and adjust them according to your group's needs. Once you've made your changes, make sure to save or confirm your settings. Telegram may automatically apply the new permissions, but it's always a good idea to check that your preferences have been updated. That's it. Now, your group members won't be able to send photos in the chat, helping you keep the conversation focused and clutter-free. Remember, you can always return to the Permissions menu to adjust these settings as your group's needs evolve. Thanks for tuning in. For more tips and tutorials on managing your Telegram groups, stay connected and keep exploring the app's features.